In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update contacts in Mailchimp, a process that's essential for anyone looking to keep their audience list current and engage effectively. Let's dive right in and go through the steps together. First things first, you need to log into your Mailchimp account. Head over to mailchimp.com and use your credentials to sign in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one before you can proceed. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Here, navigate to the Audience tab, which you'll find conveniently located on the left-hand menu. Clicking on Audience will open up a whole range of options that allow you to manage your subscribers. Now keep in mind that many users manage multiple audiences in their Mailchimp account, especially businesses targeting different customer segments. If that's the case for you, make sure to select the specific audience you wish to update from the list provided. After selecting your desired audience, the next step is to locate the contact you need to update. To do this, click on all contacts found under the Manage Audience dropdown. This will bring you to a comprehensive list of all the contacts associated with the audience you have selected. With the extensive list in front of you, the search bar becomes your best friend in this scenario. Simply type the contact's name or email into the search bar to find the specific individual you need to update. This little tool is particularly useful if you're dealing with a large audience where manually scrolling through contacts would be time consuming. Once you've found the contact, click on their email address to open up their profile. This is where you can make all the necessary updates. You'll see a range of fields such as name, email, tags, and more. To edit any of these fields, just click Edit situated next to the specific field you wish to update. For instance, perhaps their email has changed, or you need to add a new tag to segment them better in your campaigns. After making all the changes you need, remember to save your work. It might seem like a simple step, but forgetting to click Save means all your updates won't be applied, and you'll have to repeat the process all over again. Saving ensures all your data is up to date and reflects accurately in your audience list. And there you have it, a straightforward way to keep your Mailchimp contacts current. Regularly updating your contact information can significantly enhance your marketing efforts by ensuring your messages reach the right people with the correct details. Thank you for following along in today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to optimize your Mailchimp experience.